Let me ask you something. If your future self met you today, would they be proud? If the answer is no, then it's time for a change. Not next year, not next month. Most people wake up, go through the motions, and wonder why nothing changes. They blame luck, timing, or circumstances. But here's the truth. Your life is the result of your daily choices. You don't suddenly become successful, disciplined, or happy. You build those things through small, consistent actions. So, how do you build a life you're proud of? You need 3 things. First, clarity. What do you actually want? Most people have no idea. They just follow the crowd. But the best life is the one that's true to you. Second, discipline. Motivation fades. Discipline is what gets you to the gym when you don't feel like it. It's what keeps you working when distractions pull at you. Third, action. You can read 100 self-help books, but if you don't take action, nothing changes. Start small, but start today. 5 years from now, you'll look back at this moment. Will you regret staying the same, or will you thank yourself for starting? You don't have to be perfect. You just have to begin. If this message speaks to you, don't just scroll past. Take one step today. Comment below. What's one thing you'll start doing differently? Let's build a life we're proud of.